Hi, everyone. Thank you for tuning in and welcome to our fifth Club's Biweekly video. Today's video is extremely important, so we need you to stay tuned for the entire video. And without further ado, I'll just go ahead and get into today's agenda. So first, we'll start with a quick debrief on Club and Grub. And second, we'll get into our main agenda item, which is announcing Club Binder deadlines. And finally, the third agenda item will be a quick reminder on the November CMS form deadline. So starting with item 1, Club and Grub debrief. Thank you so much to all clubs that participated in Club and Grub. We're really proud to say that the event was really successful, and we just really appreciate you making the event possible. And so for the clubs that did participate, we have collected all of your tickets and we have reported the numbers to Ms. Murg, who will transfer all of the money to your accounts accordingly. And because of Club and Grub's success, we are planning to hold another one during the second semester. And so we hope to see even more of you at the next Club and Grub. Item 2, this is our most important item for today. Which is announcing club binder deadlines. So we are approaching the end of first semester, and that means it's time to submit club binders, which are a very important requirement listed in the ASB bylaws that all clubs must complete. So this year we have actually decided to stagger the deadlines by splitting all clubs into 2 groups based on alphabetical order. And so each of these 2 groups have a different deadline, and all club binders must be submitted on Google Classroom. So before I actually go ahead and announce the club binder deadlines, I want to give you guys a quick summary on the club binder requirements. So there's essentially 6 different parts of a club binder that all of you need to submit. And the first is an executive summary. You can simply follow the template that we have provided you with. And this is basically a 2-page form that will summarize everything that your club has done this first semester. The second part is your club constitution. And this is all something you guys should have already. And your constitution governs how your club is run and governed. And we required you to create this when your club was started. So if you're not able to find your constitution for some reason, we would suggest contacting previous officers from years before, because they may have created the constitution and you just may not know where to locate it. And so we just need you guys to submit that for us. The third part is a club roster, which again, you can simply create by following the template that we have provided you with. And this is an email list of all of your club members. And at the top, you'll list out your officer contact information as well. The fourth item or part of club binders is officer meeting debriefs. And so we would like you to submit your notes for every officer meeting that your club has had. And this is, again, just so that we want to see what planning your club has done and that your club is active. All right, and the 5th and 6th requirements tie into your semester event, which is a requirement for all clubs. And so the 5th item is a screenshot of your event Facilitron reservation. And this is because we want to make sure that your semester event was approved by ASB. And using Facilitron is a requirement for any event that your club holds. And the final part is a photo of your event. And so we want to be able to have visual evidence of your semester event. And so we'd like this photo to be a wide shot of your event, where we can really see what's going on in your event and what you guys did. And if you held your event virtually, obviously that would be like a screenshot of Zoom and what happened on Zoom. And physically, if you held a physical event, we just want a wide shot of your event. And so all of these requirements are already listed on the ASB bylaws. I just wanted to give you guys a quick summary to remind you. And again, like always reach out to us with any questions that you have about any part of the club binder. So now I'll actually get into announcing the two different groups, and we won't be publishing these lists anywhere else because we do want you guys to watch this video. So I'll just go ahead and get into the next two slides, which will have the complete list of the two different groups, and you'll be able to find the name of your club. And so the first deadline is November 28th, and here's group one. So go ahead and find your club name. Obviously, if your club is not on this slide, then it will be on the next one. So again, just to reiterate, this is group one with a deadline of November 28th. And this is group two, which will have a deadline of December 5th. So you can go ahead and find your club name. So that's it for club binders. Definitely let us know if you have any questions. And yeah, I'll go ahead and get into our final item for today, which is a reminder that all of your CMSS forms for the month of November are due on Tuesday, November 30th. So it's always the last day of the month, but we would recommend submitting your forms before Thanksgiving break. That's it for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Since we went over a lot with the club binder deadlines, we do expect a lot more questions. So definitely, as always, reach us via email or Slack, and we'll see you in the next video.